Did you know your kidneys filter nearly 150 liters of blood every single day? Many people do not realize that slow toxin buildup can silently damage kidney function. Today's video reveals 5 powerful Ayurvedic drinks that naturally detox and support kidney cleanse. Each drink has been used for centuries and may help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells. Stay with me because drink number 5 includes a surprising herb most people ignore. Your kidneys work non-stop, removing waste, excess fluid, and harmful toxins from your body. But unhealthy routines, dehydration, and processed foods slowly weaken this vital filtration system. In this video, you will discover simple Ayurvedic remedies that support natural detox and kidney repair. These drinks are easy to prepare, safe for most people, and highly valued in traditional herbal cures. If you want better energy, cleaner blood, and stronger kidney health, then this video is perfect. Have you noticed swelling, tiredness, or foamy urine recently? Comment below and share your experience. Esimene kumin coriander fennel Detox. This Ayurvedic drink is known as CCFT, and it supports natural kidney cleanse effectively. It helps reduce inflammation, improves urine flow, and removes stored toxins gently from your system. The combination also strengthens digestion, which directly reduces the toxin load your kidneys handle. Boil 1 teaspoon of each seed in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. Sip warm in the morning for maximum detox benefits and improved kidney function. This tea is highly recommended in Ayurveda for balancing your body's internal waste system. 2. Barley water for kidney cooling and detox. Barley water is one of the oldest natural remedies for kidney detox and urinary cleansing. It helps ease inflammation, cools internal heat, and supports better filtration in tired kidneys. Studies show barley supports healthy uric acid levels, which protects the body from crystal buildup. Boil 2 tablespoons of barley in 3 cups of water until it reduces slightly. Drink during the day to support hydration, mineral balance, and gentle kidney flushing. Many kidney patients drink barley water daily due to its powerful cleansing effects. 3. Punarnava root drink for kidney repair. Punarnava is one of Ayurveda's most respected herbs for kidney detox and swelling reduction. This root helps increase urine flow, reduce water retention, and support kidney cell rejuvenation naturally. Punarnava also helps reduce toxin buildup, making it valuable for long-term kidney health. Boil 1 teaspoon of Punarnava powder in warm water and drink once daily. Always use a trusted source because herbal quality directly affects the benefits you receive. This herb is often called kidney revival root in ancient Ayurvedic texts. If you value helpful kidney cleanse tips and natural remedies, please like this video now. Subscribe for more kidney detox guides and daily Ayurvedic health support. 4. Coriander leaf infusion for toxin removal. Coriander leaves contain powerful antioxidants that help flush out heavy metals from the kidneys. These metals are silent toxins that slowly reduce kidney performance over many years. This drink also supports lower blood pressure, which is essential for long-term kidney function. Boil 1 handful of fresh coriander leaves in 2 cups of water for 5 minutes. Drink warm to support detox, improved urine output, and reduce toxin storage naturally. This simple kitchen herb might be your easiest daily kidney detox solution. 5. Aloe vera and lemon kidney cleanse drink. Aloe vera juice helps reduce inflammation and supports natural healing inside your kidneys. Lemon adds vitamin C, which helps dissolve small mineral deposits and improves urine flow. Together, they help your body flush toxins and maintain healthy electrolyte balance naturally. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice with warm lemon water and drink in the morning. This drink is gentle, refreshing, and perfect for boosting daily kidney repair. Most people use aloe for skin, but few know its powerful internal detox benefits. Final note, these 5 Ayurvedic drinks can support a gentle kidney detox and help protect your kidneys daily. Adding even one of these remedies to your morning routine may improve your energy and digestion. Stronger kidneys help your body feel lighter, cleaner, and more balanced from the inside out. Try one drink this week and share your results below for others who need guidance. Watch the next video on natural foods and herbal cures to continue your kidney health journey.